Let's take a picture. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So assuming this box have 7 tiles, so that would be 47. This one as well. And because each box sometimes is not accurate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh. So 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 53, 54, 55, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 62, 64, 65, 67, 68, 69, 70. All in all, porcelain tiles, 70 pieces. Alright, so I just want to give an update for the bathroom renovation, and it is already like a quarter of 100% until finished. So they have installed already my porcelain tiles, the white beige marble effect, and the floor would be different texture because the bathroom wall would be all glossy and the floor, all the porcelain tiles would be textured. So don't mind the noise from the tunnel, I mean from the drainage, because they're working on it. And these are all my structure designed from my sketch and drawing. So these are all my measurement, where I prefer to have this undermount storage for shampoos, shower gels, and it has 6 centimeters width, enough for the bottles. And I also have put here the wider, the undermount built-in storage, 2 of them. So these are for bigger bottles of whatever bathroom stuff, because I'm a woman. I really do have lots of potions and lotions and whatever, and I have here built secondary wall just to make the undermount storage really practical and looks seamlessly sleek storages. And also this will be bathroom seat, while I mean a shower seat, so you can sit on it and then do your thing, your routine. And I measured all of this. I have a list of measurements, and this is literally like change everything, renovate everything. So I have bought a matching bathroom set, but it's not installed yet. Well, obviously a new set of flushing system, because previously the flushing system is like above my height and I couldn't even flush it without doing tiptoe. So how much more if you have kids or whatever, you can't do it. So it's a literally good flushing system, and all the covers, the bathroom set, and all the accessories, even the extractor or the air filtration, we match and blend in all the motif here. So I'll keep you updated, and I'm excited for the result.